fly. I mean, a rocking horse fly.
Naturally.
Beg your pardon, but, did you... Oh, that's nonsense. Flowers can't talk.
But of course we can talk, my dear.
If there's anyone worth talking to. Or about.
And we sing, too.
You do?
Oh, yes. Would you like to hear Tell It to the Tulip?
No, let's sing about us.
We know one about the shy little violet.
Oh, no, not that old thing.
Let's do Lovely Lily of the Valley.
How about the Daisy
Oh, she
Duet?
wouldn't like
I want to sing too.
Girls, we shall sing Golden Afternoon. That's about all of us. Sound your A, Lily. La.
Nee, 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 nee.
La, 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 la.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom.
Little bread butterflies kiss the tulips, and the sun is like a toy balloon. There are get up in the morning glories in the golden afternoon. There are daisy daffodils on the hillside, strings of violets are all in tune. Tiger lilies love the dandelions in the golden afternoon, the golden afternoon. There are dog and caterpillars and a copper centipede, where the lazy daisies love the very peaceful life they lead. You can learn a lot of things from the flowers, or especially in the month of June. There's a wealth of happiness and romance in the golden in the golden afternoon, the golden afternoon.
You can learn a lot of things from the flowers, or especially in the month of June. There's a wealth of happiness and romance.
The
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
The bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see.
And all that he could see, and all that he could see was the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that he could see. a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny, which nobody can deny, which nobody can deny. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny.
On top of spaghetti,
On top of spaghetti,
all covered with cheese,
all covered with cheese,
I lost my poor meatball.
I lost my poor meatball.
When somebody sneezed,
When somebody sneezed,
it rolled off the table.
it rolled off the table
And onto the floor.
and onto the floor.
And then my poor meatball
And then my poor meatball
rolled out of the door.
rolled out of the door.
It rolled in the garden.
It rolled in the garden
And under a bush.
and under a bush.
And then my poor meatball
And then my poor meatball
was nothing but mush.
was nothing but mush. On top of spaghetti,
On top of spaghetti,
all covered with cheese.
all covered with cheese.
I lost my poor meatball.
I lost my poor meatball.
When somebody sneezed,
When somebody sneezed,
it rolled off the
it
table
rolled off the table
and onto the floor.
and onto the floor.
And then my poor meatball
And then my poor meatball
rolled out of the door.
rolled out of the door.
It rolled in the garden
It rolled in the garden
and under a bush.
and under a bush.
And then my poor meatball
And then my poor meatball
was nothing but mush.
was nothing but mush.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn.
Lassie. Ang patingin ako.
Hindi ka na makialam, Clean. Kasi malapit yung secret na ako ba?
Nati. Nati. Nati.
Hoy, kung papagal-pagal ka dyan, huwag ka nang umattend ng birthday, ah. Kanino tong violet? Sa'yo to?
Opo, sir.
Ano yung isa nito? Yung green na ano nila ka? Wala, yung partner ng sandals sa'yo doon sa ano. Isa lang. Wala yung isa.
Baby.
Patong dyan na si Carly. Wait, sandali. Pinto na si Carly. Magbilis ka muna. Tingnan mo, hindi ka pa tapos oh. Bye. Oh, itingala yung sakita may pangit. Bye. Ayun. Yung green niyang medyas. Ang yabang mo. Oo. Ang maganda po na ito anak ko. Tingnan mo. That's not easy. Sige, ngiti. Smile. Smile, dear. Smile. Bibihisa na? Bihisa na. Oh, where panty? Panty, anak ko. Come here. Panty. Hawak mo ka. Iwan mo yan, anak. Para makakahawak sa mga. Wait yata. Wait yan. Oh, dali. Oh, dali. Baby naman eh. Oh. Diyos ko. Ay, ang kulit talaga ng baby ko. Whether you like it or not. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Uy, smile, dali, smile. Smile. Smile, dear, smile.
Ako smile.
May, ano na siya, socks. Extra naman si Kuya.
Ako rin.
Sandali na, baby.
Bababa na ako eh.
Kita mo na si Clown? Hindi pa eh. Sa kabihis na si set up.
Ano, ginagit ka lang baka.
Yung pogi ko na mama. Yung walang ipin.
Itabangi ka na.
Makamakuha ka rin tayo sa video. Dear, come here.
Ay, wala na ako. Hindi.
Alam mo, makukuha sa video si Kai.
Makukuha sa video, nakahubad ah.
Suot ka.
Dito ka kay Chita.
Oo, halika dito.
Kabilang kamay, darling.
Ate na ako mag-ano be.
Kabilang kamay mo.
Ay!
Ito sa kabilang kamay, anak.
Ay!
Ito, kabila. Yan.
Si Miles.
Wow!
Dati ko
Bakit?
Kuya boy. Nagbibihis lang ako sa dali. Binibihisan ko. Wait, pakitulong na ako.
Thank you, Lo.
Alin? Wow! Hindi, sandali. Riribunan ko pa eh. Sandali. Kala ko yung unang ka ng video, lapat ka ng lapat. Anak, nagmamantika na ako dito. Oh. Anak ko, here. Bakit? Where?
Walang malikot ha, behave lang lahat, magmamagic siya, tapos magbibigay siya ng balloon. Ha? Tapos mamaya konti maglalaro tayo, daming toys, no, nakasabit. Okay? Walang malikot ha. O, sige. Kung sinong mananalo mamaya sa, sa pamagic ng clown, may premyo.
What animal went to London to visit a queen? O anong hayop sa nursery rhyme na nagpunta sa London para makita yung queen? O hulaan nyo, anong hayop yun? What animal in one nursery rhyme went to London to visit a queen? Alam niyo ba yung nursery rhyme? Blank, blank, where have you been? I've been to London to visit a queen. O anong hayop yun? O anong hayop yun? What? Mouse? Mouse ba yun? Mouse ba kaagad yun? Blank, blank, where have you been? I've been to London to visit a queen. O blank, blank, what did you do there? I'm frightened a little mouse. O anong hayop takot ang mouse? Anong hayop? Cat, di ba? Remember the nursery rhyme? Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the queen. Okay, I'm making a violet pussycat. Do you use for karaoke?
Lahat malas, no? Nabangga yung mahal sa kanila. Ito na pare, wala sila. Parang nabangga yung mahal sa siya.
Of course, when the cat went to London, he frightened a little mouse under the queen's chair. Okay, I'm going to make a black mouse. In one fairy tale, this animal became a princess. O anong hayop yun? Lumalang oy, lumilipad. Sa isang fairy tale, naging princess. Anong hayop yun? One, di ba? This one princess. Nakadala sila sa one princess. This was one princess. That song? Song movie yan? Oh, what movie is that? Akap na movie, Aladdin, di ba? You know, in the movie, Aladdin has a pet. What animal is it? O anong hayop yung kaibigan ni Aladdin? Tiger ba yun? Tiger ba? Ibon ba? called the monkey in the movie? O, sino yung monkey sa movie? Ano pangalan niya? Nakalimutan niya na kung ano pangalan ng monkey? Okay, very good. His name is Abu. Now, sino yung princess sa movie? Ano yung pangalan ng princess? Her name is Princess? Her name is Princess? Ano yung pangalan ng princess sa movie? Princess Jasmine, di ba? Then, Jasmine has a pet. Anong hayop yung pet ni Jasmine? Okay, tiger. Now, what do you call the tiger in the movie Aladdin? Ano pangalan ng tiger sa movie? Do you remember his name? Ano pangalan ng tiger sa movie? Sino nakaalala? May nakahula ba? Raja, very good. His name is Raja. Now, sino yung kaaway ni Aladdin? Ano pangalan niya? Jafar. Now, what animal is Jafar's pet? Ano hayop yun? Yung alaga ni Jafar. Ano? Parrot, diba? O ano pangalan ng parrot sa movie? Ano pangalan niya? His name is? O sino yung parrot sa movie? Hindi nyo naalala, pangalan ni Iago. Di ba si Iago yung parrot sa movie? Can you use Iago now? Sino nakasagot kanina? Sino sumagot? Okay, nakapula dyan, nakapula. Yellow, here's your Abu. Iago. Ikaw nakakahula kanina eh. Do you remember the song? Lion King, di ba? Ang pangalan ng Lion King si? Simba. Very good. His name is Simba. Okay, I'm going to make one of the animal friends of Simba. O ano pangalan ng father ni Simba? Kilala niya ba siya? Okay, very good. His name is Mufasa. Now, sino yung mother ni Simba? Yung mami ni Simba, ano pangalan? Nalala niyo ba? Yung mami ni Simba? Her name is Sarabi. Remember that Simba's mother is called Sarabi. Okay, sino naman yung girlfriend ni Simba? Okay, very good. Her name is Nala. Okay, going to make one of the animal friends of Simba. O anong hayop mahaba ang leg? Very good, Kevin, giraffe. I'm going to make your giraffe. Okay, here's your giraffe. Hi, Kevin, come over here. Huwag na lagay sa semento ha, puputok yan. Now, what do you call the place? What do you call the place where Simba was born? Ano tawag sa lugar na yun? Kung saan pinanganak si Simba? Do you remember that place? Naalala niyo ba? O, saan pinanganak si Simba? Clint. Saan pinanganak si Simba? Anong tawag sa lugar na yun? Nakalimutan niyo ba? Yung Pride Rock? Di ba Pride Rock ang tawag doon? Or the Pride Lands, di ba? Simba was born in a place called Pride Rock. Simba was born in a place called Pride Rock. Remember, Pride Rock or Pride Lands. But Simba never grew up in Pride Rock because he ran away and he went to a forest. Now, in the forest, Simba met two, and the other one is, the smaller one is, Anong hayop sa timon? Yung maliit? Ano siya? Parang taga? Parang taga ba yun? Is a, remember, a timon is called a wild cat or a meerkat. Now, how about Pumbaa? Anong hayop si Pumbaa? Okay, baka bita mo, di ba? Do you want to see Pumbaa? I'm making Pumbaa now. Okay, let's see. Here's Pumbaa and going to his legs. Okay, here's Pumbaa now. Now, do you remember the song? What movie is that? Now who is the beauty in the movie? Her name is? Her name is? Bit ba yun? Belle, di ba si Belle? Okay, here's Pumbaa. Okay, Clint, your Pumbaa. Di ba si Belle yung dito sa movie? Now, who is the one singing the song? Sino yung kumakanta na yan? Is it Belle? Yan ba si Belle? Si Belle ba yung kumakanta? Sino yan? She's called Mrs.? Who is the one singing that song? Do you remember? Oops. Oh, who is the one singing that song? Oh, who is the one singing that song? Si Beauty ba yan? She's called Mrs. Belle? Si Belle ba yun? She's called Mrs. Pants, di ba? You know, in the movie, the beast can become human again, and the secret is for a girl to fall in love with him. While the enchanted rose is still alive. Okay, I'm making a red flower here. Oh, sino yung Kendall sa movie? Ano yung pangalan ng Kendall? Do you remember his name? Sino yung Kendall sa movie? Naalala niyo yung pangalan niya?
Ay, pala si Karen. Nakalimutan ko na po.
Naku, nakalimutan niyo na si Lumir, ha? Do you remember a song? What movie is that? Little Mermaid. Oh, ano pangalan ng mermaid sa movie? Her name is? Okay, her name is Ariel. Now, do you remember the one singing that song? Sino kumakanta na yan? Okay, what animal is Sebastian? PSA? Palaka ba si Sebastian? Crab. Wala ko naman palaka eh. Niloloko siya ng maloko eh. Diba in the movie, the mermaid fell in love with a prince called Eric, diba? Si Prince Eric yung sa movie, yung bida. Ngayon si Prince Eric, may alagang hayop. Anong hayop yun? Dog, diba? Okay, I'm making a dog here. Anong dog? Yung mahaba, malaki ang tenga, maiksi ang paa, mahaba katawan. Anong hayop yun? Anong dog yun? Oh, anong dog to? Alam niyo ba anong dog ito? Okay, this dog is called a Dachshund. Okay, I'm going to give it to Archie. Archie, come on. O, anong dog yan? Hotdog? Hotdog ba yan? Anong aso nga yan? Ano? Poodle, di ba? It's a poodle. Okay, wanna get this. It's a poodle. Let's make one more dog, ha? Ano pangalan ng daddy ni Mermaid? Ano pangalan ng aking dad? Okay, is King Triton. Now, sino yung kalaban ng Mermaid? Sino? Sino yung kaaway ng Mermaid sa movie? Do you remember her name? Hindi nakaka yung boses niya? Sino yun? Her name is? Nahoy, malaking You have forgotten Ursula. Di ba si Ursula yung kaaway ng Mermaid sa movie? Okay, making one more dog, ha? O, anong tawag sa pinakamaliit na aso sa buong mundo? O, anong tawag sa pinakamaliit na aso? Kawawa? Kawawa? At chihuahua? Alam ko naman, kawawa. Okay, chihuahua, di ba? Okay, balikan chihuahua here. Yun na kahula nun. O, meron ka ng balon eh, add na lang. Tama-tama, sa akong damit mo. Okay, kasi chihuahua. Do you remember the song? What movie is that? Okay, George the Jungle. You know, in the movie, George has a pet, and this animal thinks he is a dog. Anong hayop sa movie na akala niya sa dog? Is it a monkey? Is it a monkey? Monkey ba na akala niya aso siya? Iba yun? Di malaking hayop? Di malaking hayop? Is it ba na elephant? Okay, guys, I'm making a big elephant here. I'm going to give this to Miggy. Where's Miggy? Come closer, Miggy. Ayun, Miggy na. Miggy nga eh. Si Miggy. Ayun, natawa ko si Miggy, oh. Eh, talaga. Okay, Miggy, here's your elephant. Okay, this animal lives in the forest, di ba? It is very small. Maliit lang yan, ha? It loves to gather nuts. It has sharp front teeth. And it lives up a tree. Anong hayop yun? Mahina. Squirrel, di ba? Yung nakahula nun. It is Eliza. Okay, I'm going to take a squirrel for Eliza. Let's make the squirrel. Okay, here's a squirrel, Eliza. Okay, this animal also lives in the forest. It is called the 100-acre wood. And this animal has friends like Eager, Eeyore, Piglet. Oh, sino yun? I think we can start now. Bago pa tayo maulanan. Okay, we're We're going to start by praying for Carol. So everybody stand up. I was going to get Carol in front. Okay, everybody stand up and join me in praying for Carol. Okay, everybody, let's pray. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Mommy and Daddy for giving us a beautiful girl. Also, thank you for the people who come and join us in this party. Thank you for a fine place we have given us celebrate. Bless Mommy and of course Carol, that they may have good health and more years to come. We ask this in your name. Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, everybody, take a seat now. You can take a seat now. Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Carol's second birthday party. My name is Joey. I'm going to be a father host for this afternoon. We'll have our games, ha? Meron tayong mga prances doon. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wala akong makakanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, everybody say happy birthday, Karin. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Okay, gusto niyo ba ng game? Gusto mo mag-game? Okay, the first game will bring me game. I'm going to ask you for something, going to bring it to me, ha? The first one who gets what I want to get a prize from me, ha? Okay, the first thing I want to bring me, go around and bring me the longest belt. Pinakamahabang sa taron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dalawa na, wala na. Okay, dapat yung 6. Okay, let's see. Longest belt. Okay. Let's see now. Here's the winner who got the brightest belt. Yun yung belt ko. Tama ba? Ito. Okay, thank you. Here's your prize. Get your belt. Okay, this time, I want to bring me the smallest shoe. The smallest shoe. Pinamit sa patos. 1, 2. Pinakamaliit. Okay, at the music natin. The smallest shoe. Okay, magkasize. Let's give 2 prizes. And one more for John. Okay, everybody, break muna tayo, ha? Kain muna para hindi mabuto naman ang kasaulan.
Nagawa niya na eksena yung my friend.
Tagay rin ba? Meron ka ba? Nakasali pa? Meron ka sali? Meron ka sa loob? Okay, this game, hands down. Hands down. Kailangan wala kayong hawak ha. Kailangan wala kayong hawak sa game ito. Yung game na ito, called Pass the Parcel Game. Papas mo itong kahalang sa katabi mo. Bago may bigay sa kanya, Rabi o Tami. Kailangan ang kikis-kisan mo sa tiyan mo ha. Okay, subukan mo muna, Ayumi. Okay, sa kanya.
Cotton candy.
Pass the parcel.
Smile, Gavin, smile. Malaki ka rin yung mata. Gavin! Ayaw na?
Bibigyan naman yung may tindahan, yung binibili namin.
Ayos na, ayos na. Kina. Bye-bye. Ready to shot ito?
Yung glowing of the cake na lima.
Oh, yung glowing of the cake. Saan yung cake?
Wala nang ganon. Yung freeway,
Natatakpan.
eto na lang, bibigyan natin daw ni lunch yung Kami yung mga tindahan doon na pinukunan ng cake.
Yung last time.
Ayun, yung pala, yun na lang.
Oh, ano mo? Thank you.
Ito na birthday.
Pwede yung pagkakamit namin, lahat ha. Oh, ay. Thank you, very much.
Busi mo yan. Pabanatan kita.
Nasaan si Boy?
Doon tabi kayo. Badala ko tayo si Alboy. Natin ang tira. Okay. Bang. Tuguitan ko tayo ng beer.
Okay, thank you.
Look around. Boy, sige ka rin na boy.
Pwede mo lang chair. Okay, thank you. Let's get 2 more chairs out and go.
Huwag ipuin. Hindi na. Ipuin na. Sabi wala ka.
Ano, sa tawagin natin mga bata?
Pero ka na siya.
Kahit ilang bata lang. Oo, yung mga ano lang. Kapasukin mo.
Okay, sige.
Labing, pasok.
Ayan na, nakatalaga sa volunteer. Okay, volunteer, out na. 2 more chairs out, 2 more chairs out, and go.
Parang nasa yung naglagay.
Kahit ikaw mag-blow. Ikaw mag-blow, dali. Go. Very good. Ito mo lang tayo dito talaga.
Okay, sige volunteer. Dalawa na, out. Ilan pa na iwan? Alright, Daddy. Great. Ayaw mo siya yata.
mabasa
Ano yung number mo? Wala bang wala ha? Gusto ka ba yan?
Lahat ng nakita ko doon, ito pinakamaraming
Wala rin? How about the lucky number? Wala rin? Ano ba number 4? Number 4? Okay, last. The last time. Ikaw, naka-pink. Ano ba yung number mo? Andyan? Sigurado ka? Nakita mo? Sino mo muna sa card? Sino mo muna? Andyan? Oo, wala pala. Andyan ba yung number na napili mo? Okay. Andyan ba yung napili mo number? Wala? Andyan ba yung napili mo number? Wala? Andyan ba yung napili mo number? Ayan. Andyan ba yung napili mo number? Wala? Yung number 28. Number 28. Okay, sa party natin ngayon sa our magic show. Welcome to our magic show.
Hi, this time.
Alright, this time I have arrows here. Okay, I have arrows here. Bakit mo na lang sa harapan? Baka lang nalilit sa harapan. Okay, this is the long one. Long one, kasi this is the longer one and the longest one. O, diba? Diba? Sa school ninyo, longer and longest. Okay. Okay, this looks like a school hall. Parang tao to eh. Pero mahirap, may mayaman, at merong medyo tayo na okay. Kaya lang, ayun lang dad, may mahirap, may mayaman, gusto niya lahat ay pantay-pantay. Okay, we want to make this equal. Let's see if they equal now. Equal na ba sila? Equal na ba? Pala na ba? Okay, to make them equal, I need your help. Give me your magic pen. Everybody, give me a magic pen. No, tabi! Go! Come on, go! Everybody, go! Okay. Pantay-pantay na ba? Okay, let's count ha. Yes. 1. Paano pagkatapos ng 1? Okay, 2. And 3. Again. Go! Okay, let's count. Here's the longer one. Here's the longest one, and this is the long one. Okay, this time kailangan ko ng girl. Ay, kailangan ko ng girl na wala pang prize. Prize na eh. Ang dami tayong wala ako. Sino wala pa? Wala pa? Usog mo na, usog. Okay, upo. Everybody, upo. Ano pangalan mo? Charmaine. Charmaine. I want to know, ilang taong ano ngayon? 6 years old. Ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? Ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? Ay, di pa raw niya alam. Anyway, Charmaine, Pag ganon, kailangan malakas ang pagka, Ano kaya sa magic wand ko? Mahal-mahal pa naman ito. Kasi I need your help again. May everybody, give me your magic breath. No! No! Wala, di eh. Come on, open the pan. Ano lang, kasi yung bibigay sa akin magic breath mo, okay. Give me your magic breath. No. Come on, open the pan. Tingnan mo, nakamani siya. Palakpakan naman para kay JB. Let's give JB a prize.
Baliktad sila.
Okay, I have a magic bag here. Okay, let's see now what's inside my magic bag. Nothing but a rope inside. I'm going to make plus the magical way by using this rope. Okay, help me count down. Everybody count. Okay, your magic breath, go! Go! Okay, let's count. How many knots? Okay, I'm going to place a rope inside my bag. Let's check. Nothing inside. We will say the magic words. I say abracadabra, say sis, boom, bang. Okay, abracadabra. No, sabihin ko abracadabra, sabihin ko sis, boom, bang. Okay, abracadabra. Ano sis Bombay? Sis Bomba! Abracadabra! Abracadabra! Sis Bomba! Okay, abracadabra! Okay, make it better. Abracadabra! Okay, let's see now what happens to my rope inside my bag. Box! Box! Okay, again, let's see. Abracadabra! Ano say Bomba? Sis Bomba! Okay, abracadabra! Make it better. Abracadabra! Let's see now, what? Opo, lahat, upo. Ang tao sa likod ko, nakita. Kaya sabi ko, malalaki sa likod eh, maliliit sa harap eh, di ba? Come on, let's see, let's see what happens in my rope. Oops, 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 oops. Well, I think the rope is done. Thank you. Okay, this time, I have a magic mouse here. I have a magic mouse. Let's see now. Okay, everybody sit down. Yellow, sit down. Sit down. Tapos sa likod nyo. Okay, I'm going to place the hand is inside my house. Then we will say the magic words. Ay sa abracadabra, hawakan pa. Kaya natin tingin. Okay, ito, hindi ka na kontento. Nakahawak ako na. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Okay, I'm going to place the hand is inside my house. Then we will say the magic words. Kasi abracadabra, we will say sis, boom, ba. Okay, abracadabra. Make it clear, abracadabra. Make it clear, abracadabra. Okay, when you open the house, the hanky is no longer there. Thank you. And the hanky is no longer there. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know what naman ako nito? Wala na kaya hanky. Pagsabot na sa inyo, niloloko mo naman ako. Ayun naman pa ako niloloko. Okay, again, let's do it again. And place the hanky again inside the house. Then we will say the magic words, ha? As in abracadabra, you will say sis, boom, ba. Okay, abracadabra. Okay, make it clear, abracadabra. Okay, when I open the house, the hankies are no longer here. And they are no longer... Ano nangyari sa magic house, sa magic hanky? As you will have to pass to the side door. We're going to pass to the side door. Okay, we're going to pass to the side door. Then we will say the magic words. As I say abracadabra, we will say sis, boom, ba. Okay, abracadabra. Okay, make it clear. Abracadabra. Okay, when you open the house, the hankies are no longer here. And they are no longer here. Ba't lagi mo kinumuha yung hanky ko? Kaya na ka. Ay, masama kang binabara sa hanky ko. Again, let's do it again. Siguro we have the wrong magic words. Let's change the magic words. Not abracadabra. Sis Bomba, but whose birthday is today? Karil, diba? So the magic words will be happy birthday, Karil. Okay. Everybody say happy birthday, Karil. Make it louder. Happy birthday, Kariel. Make it louder. Happy birthday, Kariel. Okay, when I open the house, the hanky is no longer here. Okay, let's check. Wow, thank you. And the hankies are no longer here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bakit natawa kayo? Wala na nga yung hanky. Ayaw naman maniwala sa akin. Okay, everybody, count to 3, count. And when I open the house, the hankies are no longer here. And they are no longer here. Thank you. Ano ba nakakahiya na ako dito? I think I need your help. Okay. I need your help this time, okay? After saying the magic words, we're going to give you your magic breath. Okay, everybody, after saying happy birthday, Kariel, we're going to give... wala pa nga eh. Okay, everybody, sit down. Basta ka na lang yan. May tao sa likod nyo, hindi na nakikita. Okay, after saying happy birthday, Kariel, we're going to give you your magic breath. Okay, give you your magic breath, ha? Okay, everybody, say happy birthday, Kariel. Make it louder, happy birthday, Kariel. Make it louder, happy birthday, Kariel. Okay, now give me the magic breath. Go. Okay, let's see now what happens to my hankies inside the house. Wow! Thank you for the magic breath, and the hankies are no longer here. Thank you. Wala na ngayon magic hankies kasi gave you the magic. Ayaw maniwala sa akin eh. Okay, everybody, count to 3, count. And the hankies are no longer here. Thank you. Okay, today's the very special day for us. Wala sa ulit namin. Ilan? So I brought my friend Danny who will be here. And Danny is kind of shy. So kids, sit down. Yeah, close your eyes. I'm going to bring out my friend Danny. You don't say hi, Danny. Okay, kids, say hi, Danny.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, Danny, they said hi now. Come on, say hi to them. No. Say hi only. No, say hi. Yeah. Niloloko mo ba ako? Kala ko niloloko niya ako. Hindi naman pala. Okay, everybody. You might stand. Okay, Danny, hi lang. Ano may sumpanot mo? Pwede na kumakan ng mic stand? Okay, sige na nga. Anyway, this is the birthday of my friend Danny. Ano sila birthday song, diba? Sige, Danny. I'll be the one to count and you will be the one to sing. Okay? Okay. I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Okay? Okay. Niloloko mo ba ako? Kala ko niloloko niya ako. I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Okay? Okay. What are you? Huwag na kawakan ng mic stand. Huwag na parang gagalaw. Okay, Danny. Sabi ko, I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Okay? Ready? I will count and you will sing. Ready? Ready? Sige na nga, I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Okay, everybody, at the count of 3, Danny will sing the birthday song. Ready? 1, 2, I will count. I told you I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Okay? Okay. Niloloko mo ba ako? No! Alam ko niloloko niya ako. Again, I will count and you will sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan naman ako. Anyway, sige na nga. Danny, binalang the birthday song. Okay, everybody. Okay, sit down, everybody. Sit down. Kailangan nyo po ang kayo. Okay, Danny, sino lang the birthday song to them? So, everybody, I will sing the birthday song. Okay, everybody, hear Danny sing the birthday song. Anong Tony? Today is not your birthday. Kaya ng birthday ba ngayon? Naku, hindi nyo alam. Kaya ng birthday ba ngayon? Today is Carol's birthday, not your birthday. Talaga, pinapayahan mo sila kay Danny. Anyway, I taught Danny another song. Do you remember the alphabet? Alam niyo ba yung alphabet? Di ba Danny, ang sasabihin ng alphabet? Sige Danny, show them how you sing the alphabet. Everybody, here Danny sing the alphabet. Again. Alam di ba alphabet? Okay, everybody, show Danny how to sing the alphabet. A, B, Anyway, I taught Danny another song. Do you remember Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Di ba Danny, nagtapos sa that song? Sige Danny, show them how to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, everybody, here Danny sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay. Where are they laughing? Akala ko may ginagawa ko. Sige Danny, show them how to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little. Wala naman, niloloko niya naman ako eh. Okay Danny, show them how to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Wala naman eh. Wala naman eh. Wala naman eh. Hindi naman eh. Wala naman. Niloloko niya naman ako eh. Wala. Anyway, Danny, show them now how you sing Twinkle Twinkle. Why are they laughing? Anyway, Danny, show them now how you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little. Sige Danny, show them now how you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little. Wala naman eh, kaya na talaga. Wala naman eh. Wala naman eh. Niloloko niya naman ako eh. Anyway, wala naman eh. What are you doing? Anyway, Danny, show them na lang how to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, everybody, here namin sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Anong little moon? Do it again. Pinapahayaan mo na ako dito. Do it again. After little. Okay, everybody with the music. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. With the music. Inunahan yung music. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above over so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, everybody with action. Sing Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Action! Wonder what you are, up above the world so high. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Anyway, see Danny, they were able to take the things on our way. Anyway, so there's the birthday of Carol, so going to give Carol a happy, no, not New Year. Happy. Anong toothpaste? Happy birthday. Sabi natin yan nag-drawing now. Okay, Danny. Say goodbye to them. Okay, goodbye lang. Okay, Alma, say goodbye, Danny.
Bin ka ba?
Okay, happy birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, everybody say happy birthday, Karin. Okay, let's ask Daddy your birthday wish for Karin. Daddy, yung birthday wish niya kay Karin.
Karen, sana magmana ka sa mama mo.
Okay, thank you. How about Mommy?
Good health.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so on behalf of Mommy, Daddy, and Carol, this is Joey saying thank you for joining us in celebrating Carol's second birthday. God bless you and bye-bye. See you on your birthday party. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for coming. Goodbye. Okay, sino wala pang prize? Sino, line up. Yung walang prize, ha? Line up. Ito, ha? Line up, line up, line up. Yung may prize sa kabila, yung may prize sa kaliwa ko, yung walang prize.
Mama, tuskan daw yun.
Mamaya na. Kinukunan pa ng video. Yan sa likod ko, dito ka.
Gusto ko tingnan. Dito ako.
Nagbubukas na siya. Bubukas. Bubukas.
Oo.
Oh, sige, bukas ka. Sige, yan. Okay. Okay. Help. I will help you. Help, Mama. Bukas. Okay.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, sige.
Yama.
May record ba yan? Wow. Wow. Pillow. Ito. Open. Naku, yung card. Nawala.
Ay, dali ka rin ito.
Look. Oh, show. Ano yan? Wow. Ang precious niya. Where's Mickey? Where's Mickey?
Okay.
Ote.
Karelo.
Open pa. Open. Naku, wow daw. Wow.
Open, Karen, open.
Open.
Open, Karen, open.
Open. Kay Tito Derek. Oh. Wow. Ay, huwag muna, Clint. Later na. Picture pa tali.
Ito, ma, ito. Gifo. Parang gifo. Ayan.
What else? Ito pa. Oh. From Tito Dan and Tita Lisa. Okay. Bukas. Luka. Wow! Tawagin mo si Tita Uli. Tama.
Ayan. Mami yan. Pag-ubos na yun.
Wow! Hindi pa natin nabuksan at nag-wow ka na. Ipit niya. Wow! And you need this. I think this is alcancia. Wow!
Akin yan, Ma.
Alcancia ni Karen. Wow! Si M&M's. Wow! Ano pa?
Ito, Karen, oh.
Wow! Fun! Galing kay Ninang Mayet. Naku, anak. Meron pa?
Karen.
Meron pa? Pwede pa? Oh. Wow! Oh, yung sita mo doon.
Karen, oh.
Wow! She wants the doll.
Kanina, ito lang.
Kanino to galing? Uy, kay Jam. Ano ba? Wow! Flipper! Wow!
Para saan yan?
Wala tayong pambomba. Okay. Hindi natin balik natin.
This.
Tawagin mo doon si Tita May.
This.
Ito pa Kalilo. Open. Ayaw na. She doesn't like it na. What do you want? She wants this. Huwag mo lang buksan yan, anak. Fine na. Ito na. She wants the doll. Tawagin mo si Tita May mo iligpit yung basura.
Sandali lang. Padala ko. Mama, padala ay kanino to.
Huwag na yan.
Padala.
Ayaw na ni Karen.
Padala.
Kay Kevin. Kay Paul.
Ito. Padala ay kanino.
Oh, yan.
Wow. Ito siya kaya kanino.
Wow!
Akin ito, malaki nito eh.
Glenn, mabasag yan.
Ay, Karen.
Oo, naku anak. Later na. It's intact. Wow! Wow! Ay ko. Hindi ako titigilan ito. Glenn, tawagin mo si Tita Bendo.
Ano yan?
Sige na, ngayon na.
Ano yan?
Ngayon na. Hindi natin bubuksan yan. Ngayon na, anak. Sige na.
Pag-ubos na yung pag-ubos na yung naman yun. Padala kanino
Huwag na
to?
yan, please.
Padala kanino to?
Kay Hazel.
Hazel.
Sinakal siya o kali. How would I get this? Karil naman, nasira tuloy eh. Sandali anak, sandali. Later darling, later. Where's the ribbon? Dito, sandali, dito.
Wow.
Sandali baby ha. Actually, it's not a toy eh. Display lang yata to eh. Long hair! Where's the shoes? Shoes. Ay. Who's that ba? Sino ba to? Sino ba ito? Wow.
Mama, shoes niya.
Wow.
Mama, shoes niya.
Okay. Sabi ko, tawagin mo si Tita Beng mo doon. Dahil walang maglilipit nito.
Ako maglilipat pag ubus na.
Tawagin mo si Tita Beng tsaka Tita ano?
Tita Beng.
Si ano, Weng? Tita, put the shoes. Wow! Okay.
This is one.
Yan. Wow!
Carlo.
Okay, basang lang. Pwede pa.
Lalo ko on. Ako magtatapon niya.
Tulong ka doon kay Tita Beng.
Carlo.
Huwag mo na buksan. Wow, what else?
Ito Carlo ko.
Wow, kanil ganito. Wow, kanil to. Dead man na. Ayaw niya ng pansinin.
Carlo.
Toyo.
Wow.
Wow, ang daming toys ng baby.
Wow.
Ito ay galing kay Barok at Papu. Kanilo? Wow! Wow!
Nabuksan natin.
Huwag, ay naku, huwag natin.
Buksan ni
Okay na?
Carlo.
Kanilo? Wala, pin. Wala, hindi na bubuksan ang face.
Carlo.
Okay na?
Ito pa
Oh, last na lang. Carlo, this is from Hazel. Oo, Carlo. Open. Wow! Wow! Wala nang naman, anak. Wow!
Paano yan, Ma?
Tawagin mo na si Tita.
Paano na yan?
Hindi ko alam paano.
Sa'yo.
Wow!
Sa'yo, Mama. Sa'yo, Mama.
Soft mini dart game.
Wow! Ang gagawin? Ang gagawin?
You sing.
Ang gagawin, Tama?
You sing.
Ano ang gagawin?
A, B, C,
Ang gagawin, Ma? Mama, ang gagawin.
H,
Mama, ang gagawin.
K, N, M, N, O.
Ang gagawin?
Sandali lang. S, T, U,
Mama, laro muna ako.
W,
Laro muna ako.
X,
Sandali lang. Babalik ko
Y,
maaga.
Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and sing with me? Yay! Yay! The end na. Yay! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye dun. Bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes sa kanya. Bye. Okay.
Babalik ko naman eh.
Bakit? Ayan. Where's the shoes? Ayan, kunin mo yung pera namin. Yung pera ko bulak mo. Totoo yan.
Ano ka? Ginawa ang buklak. Bye-bye.
Ben? Come here, help me. I need basurahan. Oo. Ang galing ni Kami, nagwawaw siya. Tinitake siya ng picture. Mapapanood na natin yung pimaya sa baba.
Wow!
Wow! Ang tuwa!